What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off today barefaced because we have something so exciting to review, something that I'm like through the roof ready to review because it was my favorite movie growing up besides The Lion King. I should say my favorite Disney movie. No, actually just one of my favorite movies in general. It was so good. I loved it so much. So let me stop rambling and show you guys what it is. Oh my god. I am so excited for this, guys. I know I've said that 1,000 times, but you guys probably already know this, but Disney is coming out with a new live-action Mulan movie, and they have collaborated with COLOURPOP. And listen, we already know that COLOURPOP comes out with a new collection literally every single time I breathe. So you know that's all the time. But this collection is one that I'm actually so incredibly excited for. Mulan was literally like my princess. You know what I mean? Who was your princess? Let me know down below who your princess was. Like, I never had to fight any of my cousins over what princess, you know, like whatever, because I was always Mulan and everyone else wanted to be Jasmine or Ariel. And I was like, I'm Mulan. I'm a badass. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing portion of this so you guys can see what is inside of the box. And we are also going to do a first impression, so I am going to try out all of these products here with you guys. Okay guys, so here is the full collection up close and personal. I wasn't able to hold it up to my big camera as easily as I am with my phone, so let's just go through the box. So over here we have a Luxe lip gloss, a Luxe liquid lipstick, a Luxe lipstick, and then if we move on to the center, we have the Mulan COLOURPOP pressed powder palette. We have a Jasmine face milk. This here, I think, is a lip mask if I'm not wrong. And over here we have two pressed blushes. So I'm gonna open these all up for you while we are doing our first impressions, and we're gonna try them on. I'm gonna let you know what the tea is. Okay, so I brought you guys nice and close so you could see everything that I am applying to my face. The first thing that we have is the Jasmine face milk. And I am a huge fan of these face milks. They are so incredibly hydrating. They feel great on the skin, and I do really love using them as primers. So let's first give this one a smell. I don't really know the smell of jasmine that well, so it smells... Okay, low-key, if I'm being really honest, it kind of smells like my abuelita's house. But that's fine. We're still gonna put it on our face. I'm sure it still feels great. We will see though, we will see. So we're just gonna do one drop here, and blend. And like I said, if this ends up being anything like the other face milks they have, then I know I'm gonna love it. I will say it doesn't really smell like grandma's house once it's on your face. But out of the bottle, it kind of does. Is that the smell of old ladies' houses? Jasmine? Is that what it is? I always thought it was like mothballs. Okay, so yeah, just as I expected, it feels amazing on the skin. I love the way this feels right before makeup. So I like my base to be a little bit tacky, really soft and smooth, and really hydrated. I'll put all the prices right up here so you guys can know, because I do not have them right in front of me. But I do know that this collection is now available. I hope it's not sold out. From the moment that I am filming this, it is not sold out. So you should still be able to get your hands on some, if not all of these products as of today. Okay, so I put on some foundation, as you could see, but we're gonna go in with the eyes now. So to prep, I am gonna be using the Dose of Colors concealer. This is the Meet Your Hue in the shade 20, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my eyelids so we could prime our eyes. I feel like I have really veiny eyelids, or just like really dark eyelids, so I always need to do this step. Okay, so now that I have my eyelids all prepped, let's take a look at this beauty of a palette. Oh my god, it's so cute. So before I go inside of it, the outside, the packaging is literally gorgeous. It is so like perfect for Mulan, you know what I mean? On the back, it does have all the shade names. So if you ever want to know the shade names, they are there, but they are also inside the palette. Here it is. This is honestly one of those palettes that you could literally take with you on every single trip because it has a great combination of neutrals, warm tones, glitters if you want to go out and like shine. It has everything. Dark tones for deepening up looks. Everything. This is a perfect palette. So I'm actually going to go in with the shade Brave first. And I'm going to put this shade right in the crease. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like such a good warm tone shade that isn't too dark for my skin tone, not too light. It's literally like Goldilocks, perfect. So I'm gonna do a warm tone look. That's new. If you got a problem with that, I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you if you have a problem with that. I don't really do cool tone looks ever here on my channel. And that's because it doesn't look good on me, ever. Okay, and with a smaller, fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna go in to Strength, and I'm just gonna make this even warmer. I also forgot to mention that this palette has 8 matte shades, 2 of which have like little glitters in them, but those literally go away the moment you put them on your eye. And it does have 3 shimmer shades and 4 pressed foil-like shadows, which I think are kind of new to ColourPop because these are metallic looking. Like, I already know that when I put my finger in this, it's literally going to be like tinfoil. So we're going to change this look up actually. I was going to go for something that's very cat-like, but I think I want to do like a cat halo eye moment because I want so desperately to put this red loyal metallic beautiful juicy shade on my lid right now. And with an even smaller fluffy pencil-like brush, this is a Sigma E42 Precision Firm Blender, I am going to go in with the shade Guiding Spirit, and I am just going to deepen up the inner and outer corner so that that red color can really pop. So I'm going to take my finger now and I'm going to dip into a Loyal. And ooh, guys, oh my god, that is stunning. It's like coppery red with gold little flecks in it and pink flecks maybe. So pretty. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the center of my eye and I'm going to bring it up quite a bit. That is gorgeous. Oh my god, why am I not going anywhere? Wow, these are really metallic. Holy crap. But let's blend that out. I'm gonna go back in with that little fluffy blending brush. And I'm just gonna kind of gently like tickle the corners of that glittery metallic shade. Okay, so with my pinky, I'm gonna take Be Swift. Just a teensy little bit of it. And I'm gonna put that right in the center. Did that do anything? Yeah, it did a little. It did a little something. Oh. Okay, yes. 100% yes. Okay. Okay, totally off topic, but I just used the new Too Faced Peach Concealer Instant Matte Coverage Concealer, and holy fuck, that shit works really well. I literally just bought the Kevin Aquan one, and this one is better. I spent $48 for no reason. Okay, anyway, back to this look. I'm gonna go in again with Guiding Spirit. Do I want Guiding Spirit? No, I'm gonna go in with Strength. And I'm just gonna try to really smoke that out and get this look really grungy. I know this is like super duper zoomed in, but I just really wanted to show you guys how beautiful these eyeshadows are. They are literally gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this palette. Definitely try to get your hands on this one. Okay, so as you guys can see, I completed a bit more of my makeup, but we're gonna move on to the next product that came inside of this lovely box, and that is 2 blushes, and these are in the shade Goodluck Charm and Matchmaker. Now these blushes are very neutral, so they're not going to give you that crazy pink like pop of color. These guys are subtle. They kind of look like bronzers if I'm really honest. I'm going to try out the latest one to see if it even shows up on my skin, but if not, we will use Goodluck Charm to top it all off, and hopefully that shows up. So I'm gonna go in with Matchmaker first, and I really don't know if this is even gonna, ooh, that is powdery. I feel like I'm gonna get asthma from this. Let's just put it on our cheeks. We'll forget about the crazy kickback. I see a little color, and it's actually really cute. It does not translate what it looks like in the pan on my cheek. Am I right? But it's pretty nonetheless, so hey, I'm here for it. You guys know the drill. I like looking like I'm a little sunburned. It's not gonna change. It hasn't, and it won't. And you're not my dad, so you can't tell me what to do. Okay, so let's quickly move on to the lips. It is the last and final products in this box. And I gotta do this quick because my camera is about to die. So let's start off with the lip mask just to nourish our lips before we go in with the other products. And it has such a beautiful little design on it. I think that's like a hairpin. And I'm just gonna take a tiny little bit. It is very, very gooey. Ooh. That smells really good and it tastes really good. Okay, so let's start off with the Luxe Liquid Lip, and this is in the shade Strong Chi. These Luxe Liquid Lip formulas are amazing because they're not drying, and I have really crusty lips. Part of the crusty lips crew over here, so I cannot wear fully drying lip products. So this one, I already know it's gonna be good. This color is absolutely gorgeous. It is such a beautiful, like, true red, and it has like a bluish undertone, so it makes your teeth look super, super white. I know on camera it's kind of reading a little orange, but it's not, I promise. In person, it is blue-red. It's literally stunning. And you know what's great is that it's really not streaky or patchy. I feel like it goes on in one really pretty even coat. It's not super, super opaque, but it gets the job done and it does it very well and it feels very comfortable on the lips. I'm obsessed with it, but I know I have to wipe it off because we have 2 other lip products to go through, so let's wipe her off. Next shade we have is called MULAN. I think it's MULAN. And it's a cream formula, such a pretty like brown tone nude, but I definitely have to put a lip liner with it. I already know. And oh, it's actually much more like pinky. Like it's like a pinky nude. Not bad, but not my favorite kind of shade for me. But you know what? On the monitor, she looks really cute. We'll move on. We will go on to the Luxe lip gloss. And these Luxe lip glosses have the best formula ever. They feel so good. They smell kind of sickly. I've said this already. They smell a little like strong to me. But I have tried this color already because I could not resist myself. And it's so pretty. Like, it feels so cushiony, so good. This color, it's like clear with like little gold flecks. So pretty. So let's go over what I liked in this collection. The real question is, what didn't I like? Because I actually love all of it. So all of it is definitely approved by me. I'm so excited to own this collection. I love it so, so much. Let me know what you guys loved in this collection and what you're planning on buying, if it is still available. I hope it is. Let me know down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and go check out my Instagram if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.